Now let's talk about locks, specifically Travel Sentry locks. You might think it's just a lock, but here's what you're getting for your money. Security agents can inspect your bag without breaking your lock. No more returning to baggage claim to find your zipper sliced open or your lock cut off. That's happened to millions of travelers with non-approved locks. A quality suitcase with integrated Travel Sentry locks isn't just secure, it's repairable, replaceable, and recognized worldwide with that red diamond symbol. When security is built into the design, rather than added as an afterthought, you get a product that the value-seeking traveler will gladly pay more for. It delivers superior security, knowing that peace of mind, longevity, and avoided replacement costs deliver true value that far exceeds that price differential. By the way, the benefit of a Travel Sentry lock goes far beyond airports. These locks act as a deterrent to theft on trains, on buses, in hotels, cafes, stations, and other busy public spots. At Travel Sentry, our locking standards focus on deterrence and convenience, no matter where in the world the lock is made. And travelers recognize that value. Let's look at what they told us.